Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Your Balance. Today we're diving into how to perform a highly effective yet simple balance exercise for all ages, the Tandem Stance. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. To perform the Tandem Stance, it's recommended to have a chair, railing, or countertop nearby for any needed support. To begin, simply place one foot directly in front of the other. This can be described as standing heel to toe, or like you're on a tightrope. Hold the position for approximately 10 to 30 seconds. If unable, hold the position for as long as you can comfortably. After completing the initial duration, switch legs, bringing the other foot in front. Maintain the same position for another 10 to 30 seconds. After completing both sides, it's recommended to perform 1 to 2 more attempts each, as this will increase the time under tension. If the floor isn't challenging enough, feel free to add any kind of dynamic movement under the legs. In this example, I'm using a balance pad. As you improve with the exercise, you can also try performing it with your eyes closed or turning side to side. I hope this helps improve your balance and gives you some insight into how to properly perform a tandem stance. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, as it really does help out the channel. Comment down below, how long did you hold that stance for? I'll see you in the next video, where you can join us to best your balance.